Hi there everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to another one of my videos for Altenew's YouTube channel. Today I'll be creating a card with the circled greetings hugs die, so stay tuned. So let's get started on our card. This is a very simple card and you can create lots of variations using these die sets. There are 4 in the circled greetings series. We've got hugs, loves, love, thanks and hello. And here I'm using the word hugs. So the first thing I did was take a card panel, which I folded but then folded back open, and I'm just going to cut the hugs out of the cover of my card base. So once that is cut, I'm just going to pop these elements to one side. If you want to, you can keep them and even use them to create another card. Once that's done, I'm going to take another card base. You can use some scrap paper, which is large enough to be backing for your card. And I'm going to add washi tape. And you can add whatever washi tape you like. I'm going to use some of the rainbow washi tape from Altenew because it's really colorful and bright. This one is the instant rainbow washi tape. So I'm going to add the washi tape all over that panel, and once that's done, I'm going to adhere that to the back of my panel. Now you could leave your card as such or add some little details like enamel dots or maybe some pearls or even some ink splatters if you want to break up the white of your cover. I am going to add a couple of butterflies that I punched out of the same washi tape I'm using here. You can use the Mix and Match Mariposa Die Set from Altenew for your butterflies. It's a fabulous set if you like butterflies. So there you have it, a really quick and simple card, and you can make lots and lots of these very quickly. I've got 2 other projects featuring the circled greetings die, and you can see those on the Mixed Media blog. I will leave all the links in the description box, and for more information, just go and have a look at that blog post. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you very soon with more inspiration from Altenew. Bye-bye!
Crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching.